morning, today is Saturday, and we'll be cooking tauge guisado with pork. It took me 2 weeks to prepare this because it's winter time. Usually in the summer it just takes 3 to 4 days for a good sprout. This is a very simple dish. Besides the sprouts, for the sofrito we need garlic and onion, and add to that carrots, the pork belly, fish sauce and soy sauce. Are we ready? Let's start. I have boiled this earlier and caramelize it, and then we're ready to make what is called the sofrito. This is something I learned from the Italians and the Spaniards. They call the basic ingredients caramelized together as basis for most recipes as sofrito. So we'll do that. We'll first stir fry the onions. Something I learned also, before I have been adding first the garlic, but garlic burns first, then the onion. So let's just stir fry this until, as we always know, until the onions have become translucent. And tauge I just learned also from the different restaurants here, including the Indonesian. By the way, I'm here in Holland. Tauge is a Chinese word, I think. All these Chinese restaurants call it tauge. But internationally, we just call it green bean sprout, or just sprout. And there was a research that found out that eating germinated beans or germinated vegetables is very healthy because it's a baby plant, so you get all the nutrients of the entire plant. In Spanish terminology, or in Spanish term, they call it germinados or germinated. So word for today, sofrito. Germinados in Spanish. I'll add the garlic now. We don't want the garlic to burn because it becomes bitter, and that's not a good taste. Also notice how the pork is changing its color. It's now turning golden brown, and that's what we want. Caramelized a bit. That's our basic sofrito for this recipe. Just garlic and onion. Now the vegetables. Give this some turn or stir around 2 minutes at high flame. I forgot to mention that for this recipe we will be needing this chicken cube as well. It enhances the flavor. Instead of using entirely this soy sauce to flavor or to give it this salty flavor, I'm using this. Another thing that I've learned is for the Chinese, they use the soy sauce just to add color to the dish, not to season it entirely. There's a big Chinese population here in Holland. We also have a Chinatown. And the own, of course, as we expect, Chinese have restaurants. Chinese restaurants. And I'll give a twist to this dish. I'll be adding my sayote toppings. Come on, follow me, please. I reckon that this better grows when it's cut like this to encourage side growth. So look, homegrown chayote, while they're waiting to be transplanted, I might as well add them to this recipe. Chayote tops. We're ready. High flame. I just added the chicken cube. It will dissolve by itself. Some dissolve it in water beforehand, but the stirring and the fluid here will dissolve it. The soy sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. Some use oyster sauce, but for this recipe I prefer to use combination of soy sauce and fish sauce from Thailand. If you notice, I'm using a different bottle. Just wanted to finish this first before opening the new one. Roughly 5 minutes will be needed to cook this. Some prefer it even half cooked. It's even done, I think. Cooking is not an exact science. It's the way you want it. Al gusto. Almost. 2 to 3 minutes or 5 if you wish. I think it's done. Mung guisado, or is this mung sprout guisado?